Okay, yeah.
Mercedes, AMG.
Conflicting, I'm sure. AMG.
AMG.
Second position, driving for Motorsport in the BMW M240IR, Johan Schwartz. All right, it's time for the champagne. RTC podium, Bryson Liu, Johan Schwartz, and James Clay.
The car was almost perfect. If I had a little bit better power down auto right-handers, I can trail more in.
Yeah.
And I could have been a little bit closer to him in the brake zones, and I think I would have got him there. But the guys did a phenomenal job. Everybody works so hard. Everybody gets along really great. The chemistry is really good. So I wanted to win for the team more than anything. So, but everybody's excited. And I'm excited about second place too. It's good for points.
Awesome.
We're still leading by 2 points, I believe. And we are on the outside tomorrow, which was where James was and passed me. So he had the inside line for the first corner. So maybe I'll be lucky tomorrow and get the same opportunity. So I'm happy. Adam is happy. If Adam is happy, I'm happy.
Brent started the tradition of Red Bull and champagne, so you'll pour some Red Bull in the champagne. Second place today. Very happy about it. And good work, guys.
Cheers, cheers.
Bro.
And here's the hat. We'll traditionally give that out. I wish I had a hat for everybody that stayed after midnight for the last 2 days. Yeah. So, but I think one that came on the team who's been working on my car, I think Jacob should get this hat.
Yep.
Today.
Good.
There you go, Jacob. And when we woke up from the hotel, and I realized they had 2 hours of sleep and no shower,
Yeah.
I didn't hear one word of it. That's impressive.
What it takes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not every team has that.
Yep.
Not every team, so it says a lot about this team here.
You can do that. Walk around like that, be fucking awesome.
It was a lot more entertaining earlier because they were all high on gas fumes, and none of them could stop laughing.
Hey, the tank flap is actually working now after we sorted the cables and the hose. It's not too bad, right? For me, it's a great success. Hello, camera! I'm here! Hello! The button is closed! We overhauled the car last night, so it's like tip-top shape.
In the dream car, Schwartz was victorious. Taking victory for the first time here at Sonoma Raceway this weekend, driving for Hard Motorsport in the BMW M240IR, Johan Schwartz! Your TC podium in TC America, Bryson Lude, James Clay, and Johan Schwartz takes the win in today's race, driving for Hard Motorsport in the BMW.
You encouraged him by filming him. You know that, right?
That's what we needed, right there.
That's good racing.
Yeah.
Must be fucking drunk. I need to get drunk after working so much. Just finished up our race weekend at Sonoma. It's a great success comparative to last year. No cars on their roof.
That's good.
Yes, absolutely.
That is very good.
So we're blowing off some steam after the race weekend at Ace's place.
Super action. STI.
Playing with his classic rally cars, which are phenomenal. You guys just went for a ride, and how was that?
My Mark II Ford Escort RS 2000. One of my favorite cars since I was a kid.
And I haven't seen one since I was a kid. That's classic right there. You know, and I saw it on some special stages. I saw it on Rallycross back in Denmark. And when I heard the thing start up, it was just like the cars that were pulling up to be sent out. And I could just relive that whole situation.
Dude just won a race, and I have not seen a bigger smile than what just happened right now. And as we've mentioned, that what's your favorite racing? Who'd you look up to? As always, rally racing
all
back
started
then. Yeah,
back with the rally racing.
100%.
yeah,
Same here.
super cool.
Yeah.
So successful weekend. We won. We got second, I guess. We finished races. No cars busted up. You can't get any better than that.
Leading points.
Leading points, yes. Next time you'll see us, we'll be in Road America in Elkhart Lake, Wisconsin.
That's in 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Three.
Oh, we'll take it. Love it. Have a good time, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Rumor is that Brent actually has a tramp stamp of the Mustang symbol.